Got a pretty big meeting, actually, on a boat. Believe it or not, a local Gold Coast guy. Seems like a cool guy, and yeah, so he's agreed to meet me. And we've got a meeting on his boat. Yeah, baby. The Supreme test here. What tastes better, soy or almond supreme? Soy bon soy, bon soy, or almond supreme? Okay. Smells alright. Normally I use milk, right, in my coffees just because that's what is in the fridge in my house. But I might switch from milk to one of these. Whoa, look at that. This is the soy, bon soy. Do you taste any good? You certainly look very frothy, bon soy. It tastes a lot like milk. That basically tastes exactly like milk to me. I can't taste it. I can smell, this smells different already. Okay, you can definitely taste that that's not milk. It's like nutty. It's got a little bit of a funny taste, I don't know. I think the soy wins. Let me go back to soy. Yeah, soy, bon soy, winner. Created by Japanese soy masters. The original and the best. You could be right there, soy master.
We just ordered wheels and we expect them to be good. And when they ain't, we say they ain't good and we expect them to know, oh, okay, that's probably because we use shit stuff. And see, the other thing is, I'm seeing reports of people saying that some of their wheels are working fine and not chipping up. Yeah, and it doesn't, I mean, I've got samples from them before and they've been great. I've gone, yep, make them. But it's just not, there's no way we know anything, and the only way you can tell is get the wheel and put it on a skateboard and use it. And then once you've done that, well, it's too late, isn't it? So, what the fuck is actually going on?
Kind of look like you're ready to go somewhere, Jace. What are you doing?
Got a pretty big meeting, actually, on a boat. Believe it or not. Business guru, a local Gold Coast guy. Seems like a cool guy, and yeah, so he's agreed to meet me. And we've got a meeting on his boat, so gonna go and do that and have a chat, see if he likes the Raptor 2, and hopefully I can answer any questions he has, and who knows? Onwards and upwards for Inertian, hopefully. So, for those of you watching this, for those of you who have pitched your business to someone, write a comment below and tell me what you said, because I've never done it. And not like formally anyway. I've, you know, talked to friends and family and whatnot. But yeah, this is a little bit more like a legit pitch I'm gonna have to put down. So I've done a little bit of preparation, just getting the numbers in my head, you know, the profit and loss, or the, you know, the financial statement, whatever you want to call it. I think folks in America call it a income statement. Anyway, I've done a little bit of study. A lot of the stuff I sort of know just anyway, like the profit margins and stuff like that, but trying to get it all together in your head so you can explain it to someone else in a quick fire way it's a little bit nerve-wracking. I mean, but you know, I've got the product. Oh, you did throw the Raptor in. Yeah. I've got the Raptor in the back. I threw it in, I just forgot. Show him the product, show him our website, show him that, you know, people are buying it all over the world. See what he says. For those of you wondering why a business would need investment and people to come in, there's two things that you want in business. You want like mentorship, you want guidance. It's important to surround yourself with those people, be it engineers or financial people or whatever it is. You always want to be surrounded by people who are generally a lot smarter than than yourself and have a lot more experience. But the other reason, you know, if they can bring some additional capital into a business and help us accelerate our growth, that would be phenomenal for Inertian. We've bootstrapped this business out of our own funds, basically, out of my own money and selling products, pre-sales and stuff like that. And really, that's not sustainable. Any business like this, eventually we need to get the product inventories to a level where we can do distribution deals with big retail outlets, and we can scale up our operation and get more people in on the team who are specialists. You know, it's about growth. So yeah, we'll see. Extra funding can be a very powerful thing for a business. Do we need it? Well, you'd be stupid to say no to investment, but your business needs to be healthy. It needs to be able to exist without it. You know, we can keep slugging along as we are and slowly keep reinvesting profits into our inventories, and it just takes time. And it's difficult when the business keeps growing, because the money that you're putting in never quite buys enough to actually fulfill the market demand. So, you know, some extra capital accelerates that process, and, you know, then we can start. I got big plans, you know. I got other products. I got a lot of things that I could be doing that just we cannot fund at the moment. So, yeah, I'll let you know how it goes.
How was it?
Yeah, good. I mean, he's a cool dude. The boat is like the biggest boat in the harbour.
Really?
Yeah. And the one I walked down originally was the right one, because I got to the end, I'm like, these are massive boats. Surely this is using these, but no, it was the biggest one. And I'm like, cool, okay. Had a chat with him. I mean, he's interested. Showed him the board. I took him motor controller. Told him about some of the universities and some of the corporate things we've been doing, which he was very interested in. Do you like food, lunch? Oh, it's a candle. Look like a soy latte with a coffee bean in it. Oh, it's beautiful around here.
Yeah, and they make it look fun lighter as well.
Thank you. And that's ours? Thank you. The satay sauce is the go. At the moment, I'm not really scheduling my days at all, so it's like first in, best dressed. This is why going to the turnkey approach, where you just go, we want 500 skateboards, is gonna be like really nice.